Ayan guys, oh. Nag-i-enjoy sa labas guys kasi medyo mainit konti. Nag-melted na yung mga ice guys. Ayan oh. Dante, turn. Turn around. Turn. Pikachu! Boom. Ka. Dante, come on. Ayan guys, oh. Come here! Gusto niya talaga tignan. Gusto niya tignan yung lumalabas. Come on. You okay? Huh? Come on, here. Here. Gusto niya yung kuwan. Dante, come on, walk. Come on. Dante, come on. No, where are you going? Basa. Gusto niya dun sa basa. Okay, turn around, turn. Okay, turn. Turn. Okay. Hi, come on. Ooh, look at the car. Look at the car. Ooh, wow! Gusto niya yung car na may dumadaan. Ah, wow! Oh, come on. Go na. Go. Yay. Stop it. Yan. Hi. Gusto niyang apakan yung ice lagi. Yeah. Dante. Oh, what's that? You step the ice. Look. Look at the ice. You step in. Oh, wow. Wow. Tinitignan niya yung mga kotse na lumalabas. Gusto niya tingnan. Oh, wow. Tinitignan niya yung mga kotse na lumalabas. Wow. Wow. No! Go walk. Okay? Are you done? Come on. Hi, Deb Pontinot. Ay, Debra. Hello. Yan. Nilabas ko si Bibi Dicky. Medyo may araw, hindi masyado malamig kasi natunaw na ang mga snow. Yan. Gusto niya tignan yung mga sasakyan na lumalabas. Wow! Tinitignan niya yung lumalabas na kotse. Wow! Dito kami sa harapan ng house. Wow! Look at the car. Gusto niyang tignan yung mga sasakyan na lumalabas. Taong kalsada ata to. Hindi to Pilipinas, Dante. Na wala ganitong oras na madami na sa kalsada. Yun oh. Okay, turn around. Turn. Okay. 4:28 ng hapon. Ayan, naglalakad-lakad si Dante. Slowly. See? So wet. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Okay, go. Wow, look at the car. Look at the car. Gusto niya tingnan yung kwan. Look at the car. Go. Slowly. 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 Oh. Turn. Okay, go. You want to skip this now? Huh? Kulit na, makulit. Naghahabol na. Naghahabol na. Hahabol na yung bata. Oh. Oh. Go where? Where did you go? Slowly. Oh. What are you looking for? Oh. Nag-step dahan-dahan. Oh. Say knock-knock for your dad. Say knock-knock. I'm coming. Slowly. Tataka sa mga snow. Come on. Come on. Slowly. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Auntie. Come on. We go inside now. Come on. Go inside now. Look. Your dad is calling. Auntie. You okay? Let's go home now. Now go inside. Right? Go inside now. Huh? Come on. Let's go inside. Let's go inside now. Here. Here, you do one? You do one. Here.